So this is our dough mat, our kitchen baking dough mat from Mime Kitchen. They sent this to us so we could show it to you.
This is great.
It's really cool because it's got all these really nice features. Look at it's got measurements across the top. You got centimeters there, and then you got inches down here, and you've got the diameter of your crust if you're making pizza crust or pie dough or any of that kind of stuff. You can see how big of a circle you need if you're doing a 6-inch pie or you got a 9-inch pie pan or whatever and stuff. And then it's got a little conversion chart over here on this corner here whereby you can tell, like, if you need to know how many grams is how much of a cup or things like that, like 15 grams is 1/8 of a cup of flour and icing sugar and butter and sugar and stuff. So really super nice. Cool. It's silicone, heat resistant, so you can put it in the oven up to 480 degrees or something. You can use it. It's supposed to, your dough won't stick to it.
Right.
So if you're rolling out your dough, you don't have to worry about it sticking to it.
The last time I made a pot pie dough with some almond flour, I was just using wax paper, and it was just it was such a mess, and I couldn't. It's like I stopped making it because it was such a hassle. I am looking forward to making my dough again. I really am, and I love the fact that it has the circles there, and you can get it just the right size.
Right,
so it's perfect.
So you can just wipe it off, or you can wash it with soap and water, or you can put it in the dishwasher. And once it's dry, you can either roll it up or you can fold it up. Either way, it doesn't matter how you store it once it's dry. But it's a nice silicone, and it's heat resistant. So if you needed to put it in the oven for some reason, you could use it as an oven mat if you wanted to. But yeah, you can roll it up or fold it up.
It's also good for like just protecting your counter when you're working.
Right.
You know, if you want a big mess on your counter and stuff, and stains and things.
Super smart. Yeah, good stuff. Thank you.